What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Tutorial Tuesdays. Today I'm going to be showing you how to solve one side of Rubik's Cube. Now, if you've not seen the part 1, which is how to solve the cross, go click the upper right hand corner, go watch that, come back here, and once you've seen that, now you can go on to the next step, which is one side of the Rubik's Cube. So here we go. Now, last time I showed you how to solve the cross, and this time you'll be solving the entire white face, and it'll end up looking something like this. Last time we focused on the edge pieces, which have 2 different colors on them. Now we're going to be looking at corner pieces, which will have 3 different colors on them. So for example, this is the white, orange, and blue corner piece, and will eventually be right here, where the white, orange, and blue meet. Now there are 4 positions that the corner pieces can be in. They can either be on the white face, either in the incorrect or correct position. For example, this piece right here is in the incorrect position. They can be on the bottom row, either in the bottom right corner or the bottom left corner. They can be on the top face, which doesn't matter where they're at, or they can be on the top row in either the top right corner or the top left corner. So if you have the white piece in the top row, you're going to look at the other 2 colors. So this is the white, orange, and green piece. You're going to turn it to where the orange and green meet. And if you have it in the top left corner, you're going to want to turn it so you're not looking at it, and then perform this. The right face up, top face clockwise, and right face back down. And then it'll be in the correct position. Now if you have it in the top right corner, like this one, you're going to do the same exact steps. So let's pretend it's over here. You see it's the red and blue piece. Turn it to where red meets blue, and do the same thing where you're not looking at it. Instead of performing right clockwise, right down, you're going to do the left up, counterclockwise, and then the left down. And then it will be in the correct position. So now that you know how to get a white corner piece from the top row into the correct position, I'm going to show you all the other orientations that the white piece can be in and show you how to get that to the top row. And then once it's in the top row, you can solve it from there. If the piece is on the top, you want to turn it so it's in the bottom right corner. Turning the top face won't mess up anything. So change it so it's in the bottom right corner when looking at it from above. And you're going to do the same sequence that you were doing earlier, where you turn this once, but you're going to turn the top face twice instead of once now. And then you're going to turn it back, and it should be right here. Now, if you have the piece in the bottom left corner, what you're going to do is turn it once and do the same exact sequence that you did, where you turn the right face up, turn the top face clockwise, and the right face back down. And then you'll have it in that top row where you want it to be. Now if it's on the bottom right corner, you're going to do the same thing where you turn it up. However, instead of turning it this way, you're actually going to turn the top face counterclockwise and then move it back down, and then it'll be on that top row. Now if you have a piece that is in the wrong spot, you're going to want to make it so it's the top right corner. And then what you're going to do is turn the right face clockwise. Then you're going to turn the top face counterclockwise, and then you're going to turn the right face back down, just like that, and then this will be in the right position. So now I'm going to walk you through an example solve. So first you want to check if there's any in the top row already, and we already have 2. So we're going to start with this one. This is the white, green, and red piece. So we're going to turn it to where red and green meet. Do the left, turn it up. Do the top counterclockwise, and then turn the left back down, and then check if it's still up, and it is. So now we have the white, red, and blue piece. We're going to turn that to where blue and red meet, and do the right top clockwise, and then right back down. So now we have 2 of the 4. Now these are in the bottom row, so we need to move it up. So I'll start with this one. I'll turn this right, turn the top once, and then the right back down. And this is the green and orange one. So and it's already in the right spot. So all I need to do is turn the right up, turn the top one clockwise, and the right one back down. And then this is now in the correct position, so all we need to do is move that to the orange and blue, and then do the same thing. Right up, top clockwise, and the right back down, and then now it is solved. So, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you found that helpful. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments. I'll try and help you out. If you have any suggestions for any future Tutorial Tuesdays, I'd love to hear them, so please leave a comment below. If you enjoy my content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you for making it this far. Peace.